Hello guys, hello. I hope everyone doing really well. So I would like to tell you something. This video I'm gonna make for some of the people. Some of the people asked me to give the summary about the smart money strategy, whatever we have learned in the boot camp. So they wanted to they want to have some summary video. Okay. So as a mentor, I have trained more than 1,500 students so far, more than 2,000. I don't have exact numbers. Uh, uh, I have given the my best. Some of you guys knows that I have given my best. We have extended times. We have even though we our classes like 7 to 9. So sometimes we have closed the classes by 11 o'clock, sometimes 12 o'clock. Most importantly, the recent batch also we have completed by every single classes by 12 o'clock. So one thing I would like to tell you here, some of you guys are I have seen some comments in the WhatsApp groups. Some of you guys are saying that few guys, not everyone, few guys are saying that I have abandoned you and I have not responding you guys and I am not clarifying your doubts. I'm just vanished and I'm not helping you guys. So when I hear those kind of comments, I really felt bad uh, because some of you guys are thinking the coin from the one side. You are not seeing the coin the other side, right? Because you think that I have been doing the only teaching for the full time, so you don't see my personal life. And I will be also having commitments. I'll be also having a lot of things to do, and a lot of students are there also there. Okay, so sometimes it will take some time for me to respond. But whatever you guys put comments, that comments, when I see the comment, it's really I felt really bad. uh, See, to be frankly, I felt really bad because you guys are not seeing the my side problems, right? You are seeing only your side problem. And today I have discussed with one of the student, and I was telling him that most of the peoples are still looking for small things, and they are expecting everything to be I mean, like spoon feeding. So a mentor, as a mentor, I have to spoon feed everything to these guys. So that is really hurts. That's the reason I'm not responding certain groups, certain peoples. That is the one thing I have to tell you. And at the same time, uh, they don't value my uh, what do you call my teachings. So I have spent almost 4 hours every single day, and without having water or without having food from 7 to 11, 7 to 9, 7 to not 9 exactly, 7 to 11, sometimes 7 to 10:30, 7 to 12 o'clock. So I have given the best possible. And a lot of you guys given the positive comment on that also. That is really overwhelming for me. So a lot of you guys already got benefited with the teaching. So that is also when I hear those things, and I really feel happy. but but thing here is, I told this so many times that it is not only me, it's also you. I can give my 100%, but you have to give your 100% also, right? So many times I have told this with all the students. And every single group, every single WhatsApp group, people are performing. Okay, some people are vanished. Some people are still blaming me that I'm not hand holding them, but they never come back. They never messaged me personally. They never contacted me. I know some of the guys like Arshad, uh, Harshvardhan, and Aishwarya Mani Tiwari, and Mr. Selvaraj, Mary Madam, and Usha Madam, and I can name few of these guys. They personally came to me They clarified their doubts. Every time when they come to me, I have clarified, I have allocated the session, specific session. I have clarified their doubts. So I have been telling this every single group also. If you have any problem, just text me personally and I will respond you guys. And also I will be, if you need session, I'll be connecting with you guys. I have told this and I have been doing this also. So a lot of people, that you have connected with me personally, right? I didn't expect anything from you. I wanted you guys to perform. So I have done that, right? But some of the guys, they never take they don't want to risk anything, or they don't want to do anything. They just want the summary video. Even if I give summary video, nobody gonna watch. If my every bootcamp video, right, 4 hour, 3 hour, or 5 hours videos, every single time I have given the value. Okay, I have given the value. Some guys are seen this videos so many times, and they are telling me that this video, every time they watch the videos, live recordings, they are getting something. So I have given my time and energy and efforts to teach you guys, right? For that, people in outside, they are charging 30,000, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, but we just charged 3,000 rupees. That is out of 3,000 rupees, how much I'll get, because a lot of things are there, expenses, so many things are there, right? But I still given the value. But you guys wanted me to give you the summary video. Okay, whatever you learned in the 7 days or 8 days, you want in the summary video. That is my mistake only. I should have not promised that. So I promised you guys that I'll be giving you the summary video. That's why you are asking. But as a mentor, as a trainer, I feel really bad that my recordings, my whatever live classes, you guys are not valuing. Some of you guys. I'm not mean everyone. Okay, some of you guys, I'm telling. Okay, that is really hurts as a mentor. So that's the reason I'm making this video. It's already uh, it's lengthy. It's already gone. Okay, so one thing I would like to tell you, I'm not good at speaking alone and making the videos, because I never done that in the past. So this is the first time I'm making the YouTube kind of video. So I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna share with you guys in the in my. I'm gonna upload this into my YouTube. So I'll be sharing with you guys. Hopefully, you will at least value that. I'll see that how many of you guys are watching or how many of you are not watching. I'll be seeing that. So I'll conclude, right? Okay. Now with hard feeling, I'm starting this video. So I'm not in a good mood actually after seeing your comments. But anyways, right. So as a smart money trader, first things first, what you need to do, you have a lot of things you can see, but in a small, in a simple manner, I'm going to tell you something. So some of you guys are asking, maybe, sure, should I see the cart report? Should I need to see the dollar index? Should I need to see the fundamental data? Or should I need to see the should I trade the Asian range? So a lot of you guys asking these questions. Okay, so I'm going to give you in a simple way. Okay, first things first, you are looking for the higher time frame breakout structure. Okay, it can be 1 hour, it can be 4 hour, it can be daily, it can be weekly. It depends upon what kind of trader. Okay, you have to choose the time frame. There is no time frame is good, no time frame is bad. Okay, every time frame is good, every time frame is have potential. So stick with 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame. I keep on say this, 4 hour or 1 hour, it's perfect time frame to trade the market. Okay, or you can say to get the bias of the market. So what do you need to do? First things first, I have taken the Euro USD chart. So let me take the 4 hour chart. Now what I'm seeing here, I don't see any proper break of structures, right? If you can see here, It's kind of ranging market, and you can say that, you can argue that some breakup structure happened here. Okay, that's fine. But in this particular scenario, you have a range high, you have a range low, right? So which means you have liquidity above this level, liquidity below this level. So as a smart money trader, first things first, you need to look for the liquidity pools. Then you need to look for the manipulations, followed by breakup structures, order block. This is what you're going to do. 4 simple steps. Okay. Manipulation, or you can say liquidity pools, manipulation, breakup structure, order block. Okay. Now here in this chart, you can see this is our liquidity pools. Why we are calling this a liquidity pools? Because above this high, you have what you call the money. Also below this low, you have the money. So that's why we are calling this a liquidity pools, or you can call this as a liquidity point, or you can say it's a trapping zone, where above this you have money, below this you have money. That's it, right? So I have marked this. So, and clearly it shows me the ranging market. Okay, so it's clearly it's a ranging market. So manipulation can happen anywhere. It can happen in the top side, it can happen the bottom side. So what do you mean by manipulation? Manipulation is nothing but a candle's wick is broken by the next candle's wick. If wick broken by a wick, that is called manipulation. Okay, for example, here you can see a wick broken by a wick. You can call this a manipulation, right? So this should be your manipulation candle in the top. Now, technically, this entire candle is your manipulation candle, but you cannot mark entire candle because it's the biggest candle. So stop loss will be higher. So either you can mark only the wick portion, or only the portion which gone above the what you call highs, right? So I'm taking like this. So I'm extending this box. All right. So this is my manipulation, and followed by you should have a breakup structure, right? So manipulation, you got a breakup structure here, and this is your manipulation as well as order block. You can call that like a manipulation and order block. Okay, and you have a liquidity pool here, liquidity pool here. Let's mark this. So this is my manipulation. Let me type it out. Just a second. So manipulation, right? And followed by you got a breakup structure, BOS. All right. And you have a liquidity pool. You can call this a equal high, equal low, whatever. Any terms you can use. So let me call this as a liquidity pool, LP. Okay, liquidity pool. And this is also liquidity pool. So which means the money is below, money is above. Liquidity pool. All right. Now this is your, technically this is your order block. Or you can say manipulation candle, order block, whatever. OB, you can say manipulation candle. All right. Now price is here. So it has to travel, it touch here. Once it touch here, we can able to sell the market. That is what we're gonna do. Okay. Now here, one small trick here. One thing you need to understand, there is no compulsion that price will be touching here and reacting from here. Okay. Sometimes whenever price reach the liquidity pool, if it is touch the liquidity pool, if it is capturing the what do you call it, if it is goes above the liquidity pool, or if it is goes below the liquidity pool, then it can from there also it can react. For example, if price goes like this, for example, okay, let's see this one. So if it is goes like this, okay, it took the liquidity from all these highs, right? And also you need to understand this manipulation candle is a big candle. So this is still a manipulation candle. This wick portion also still a manipulation candle. So price can react from here also. There's a possibility price can react from this level also. Okay. So what I would like to suggest here is you have to be really careful at important levels. What are the important levels? First is every liquidity pool is an important level. Why? Because every liquidity pool has a money. So every liquidity pool can be manipulated, right? If it is manipulated, price can go reverse and it can break the structure, it can go reverse. Okay. So every liquidity pool, every highs and lows has the money, it can be manipulated. All right. Similarly, every order block, or you can say every manipulation candle has the liquidity, or I can say it has the smart money is presented over there. So from there, you can look for the opportunity to sell or buy. Okay. Every single time the higher time frame candles are broken, price can reverse. That is what I'm trying to say. All right. Now here you can see manipulation candle. We have marked the manipulation portion. Now please understand that this entire thing is manipulation candle. Okay. So, but why we are marking only this portion? Because it's a big stop loss. I cannot put this much stop loss. So that is the reason I'm putting only this much this level, only the manipulated area. All right. So now, since it's a ranging market, since today is Saturday, market is not there. Monday, what you can expect is either the highs or lows will be manipulated. Okay. Now, in that situation, how we can trade? Now, we have marked the manipulation candle in the top, order block in the top. Let's see the bottom also. Now, see this one. There is one more level here. You can see this. There is a manipulation, or you can say this is a manipulation candle. But let's see this one. Let's mark this one. Okay. So you have order block above and order block below. Above one is the bearish order block, below one is the bullish order block. So there is a chance if you see in Monday, price can either it can go up, touch this level, go down, or it can go down, touch this level, go up. Anything can happen. We don't know what will happen yet. We don't know what will happen. Okay, but we can somewhat guess what we can do. Okay, since it's a ranging market, it is really difficult to understand the price action, but just see inside this range market, you got some break of structure. Okay, you got some break of structure, and followed by you got some up movement, but price is struggling to go up. You can see that in the by seeing the candles itself, you can see that price is struggling to go up. So which means price is looking for go down, right? So Monday, early morning of Monday, maybe price can react from this, touch this order block, and it can go down. It can take the liquidity below this low and touch this order block. From there, it can go up. Okay. So what you need to understand, first things first, you are marking the liquidity pool and manipulation candles. Followed by you are marking break of structure in a higher time frame. Whatever, all these things you are doing in the higher time frame. Manipulation in a higher time frame, break of structure in a higher time frame, liquidity pool in a higher time frame. When I say higher time frame, it can be 1 hour, it can be 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Sometimes it can be 15 minutes also, but I don't suggest that. Okay. So mark the manipulation candle, break of structure, liquidity pools in a 4 hour or 1 hour time frame, preferably 4 hour. Sometimes you can 1 hour just. Okay, you have done this. So what we have done this here, we just opened the Euro USD chart. We saw that market is ranging. Market was ranging here, and we found that some break of structure happened here, and we found that there is a manipulation candle, the long wick candle we saw here. So we marked that. We cannot mark entire candle. That's why we marked only the portion which gone above the high, previous high. Okay. Followed by we marked the breakout structure and price not yet touched so far, right? So we keep that level. We are keeping that level. Okay. Now after that, price was struggling here so many times, struggling here, and recently it broken the one more structure here, and it is struggling to go up. Okay, very kind of compressive movement. So what we can expect is price maybe react from this level. Now this is just an expectation. Why I'm saying expectation? This can fail also. Why? Because you have a powerful liquidity pool above this level. So price will be always looking for, market maker, smart money will be always look for taking the liquidity. So Monday, price can touch here, go down a little bit, and again it can go up also. We don't know what will happen. Okay. So all you look for is either you can sell from this level, or you can sell from this level, or you can sell from this level. Okay. Similarly, Monday, price can go down also. It can go below this liquidity pool. If it goes below the liquidity pool, you can buy from here also, or you can buy from here. Okay. Now we just done the analysis. In a higher time frame. Okay. So let's see how we could have taken the trade. Now, if you see here, there is an order block here, small order block. Price fell down, broke the structure, came back, touched here, right? Slightly touched. Now you can say it is touched properly because it's this is your order block, right? It touched properly. How we could have traded here? That's what we're going to see. So now you can choose any time frame, any higher time frame. You can mark like this. Now for entries, you can jump into the any lower time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes also. So I'm going to choose 5 minutes. So let's see whether we got any valuable setup. Okay. So first time price touched here, right? Price touched here. Now what you need to do? You have to wait for the breakout structure. What breakout structure you want to see? You want to see the extreme breakout structure. If you see the extreme swing low, if you witness extreme swing low is breaking, then you can take the setup without any doubt. You can take that setup. Okay. But in general, we are looking for this, but sometimes it will not happen. In that situation, you can still consider the in between the swing lows also. Okay, this is also you can consider. There is no problem with at all. When you can consider this breakout structure, whenever you see some impulsive moves, okay, you can take this. You can see there is an impulsive move. It's not a strong impulsive move, but still it's an impulsive move. Okay, so you can take this low break as your breakout structure, or you can consider this break also. But let us say wait for the extreme breakout structure. Now it depends upon the people to people. If I am trading, I will be looking for at least this breakout structure. I want to see. I'm not satisfied with this one breakout structure. I want to see this one also, and I also saw this one. So 3 breakout structures says me that market will be bearish. Okay, so so we have marked the breakout structure. Just a minute. Right now, this is the level it touched your 4-hour order block. Now what you need to do? Just jump into the 5 minutes. You found the breakout structure in 5 minutes. Now you're going to mark the 5 minutes order block. This is your 5 minutes order block. Right? Let me change the color a little bit. Let us change this to red color. Now you can extend like this. Now what happened here is price came back, touched here, fell down, again came back, fell down. Right? Now there you will be having question. Can I trade from here directly, or shall I wait for one more breakout structure? You can look for one more breakout structure also. That's absolutely fine. But here the one more breakout structure did not work. One more breakout structure happened only here. right? So maybe you can look for the one more breakout structure and you can mark one more order block like this. And this is a big order block. So maybe let's mark only 50%. Okay, you can look for the sell entry from over there. You can do that. That's absolutely fine with you guys. You can look for one breakout structure. You can take an entry, or you can look for one more breakout structure for the confirmation purpose. Then you can take an entry. Okay, here there's a breakout structure happened, and the price came back, touched here. Now, should I need to confirm this further? Yes, you can do that. You can go to 1 minute. You can refine that further, but I will not do that. What I will do is I'll just measure the stop loss, total stop loss. So this is something around 54 points. So I'm okay with that. And Euro USD 54 point, it's a decent, it's a very good stop loss, right? So I'm happy to trade from here. I'll be selling from here, and my maximum target should be this low or this low. Any low you can target, or you can stick with the 200 points also. Okay, so I suggest at least 200 point you can capture. So let's measure this, how much it given. So it given almost 190 points here, I think. Yeah, 200 point it's almost given here. So you could have exited here, or maybe you could have waited till this point, but I don't suggest that. In a beginning stage, I don't suggest, because it's another another 50 points. So don't want to, because in between you see some up movement also, right? So I don't want you guys to fall in this trap. You will feel that, oh, market is bullish, and you'll be having some confusion. So just take from the first one, capture the 200, 190 points, exit. Okay, because why I am saying this is not your proper order block. Okay, this is there inside your range market. Okay, this is there inside your range market. Your liquidity pool, higher time frame liquidity pool, is above. So you will be looking for selling from that only. After taking that liquidity pool only, you can look for the high probable trades. Okay, so here you can take a trade. And if you are looking for one more breakout structure like this, maybe you could have taken the trade from here. Let's measure this one. This is biggest what do you call order block. So I don't want you take this much risk. So mark the 50% like this, extend like this. So you could have sell from here, but unfortunately market is closed, right? It happened when it's about 9 o'clock in the evening, night. Okay, so it fell down a little bit. So maybe if you're taken the sell entry, let's measure the stop loss. So this is almost 86 point. If you're okay with that 86 point, you can choose the 86 point stop loss, or you can take a 50% entry. It's up to you guys. The thing is, certain things you have to decide, guys. I cannot tell you that, like, because it's depends upon your capital also. Suppose if you're starting with $25 capital, then 86 point risk you cannot take. So you can take 50 point risk. But if you're starting with some $100, $200 thing, 86 point you can take. Micro lots, it will be like maximum or $2, $3, right? $1 for one micro lot. But if you're trading 5 micro lot, it will be like $5 stop loss. So maximum I'm saying. So you can choose like that, or you can stick with the 50%. 50% I suggest to everyone. But here you can see 50% is not respected. So 50 point stop loss, don't take a 50%, because 50 point, just 50 point, that is. So 100 point stop loss, you can take a 50%, right? So if you take the 50% entry here, now you can see here it is given 200 points here itself. Maybe you could have exited, or you could have held the position for the rest of the day, because anyways market is closed. It's a Friday, right? So you'll be end up with some profits only. Okay, so what you need to understand here is, it's in a simple language, you are looking for manipulation, breakup structure, order block, manipulation of H4 manipulation or H1 manipulation. Daily, weekly also you can see, it's up to you. H4 or H1 manipulation, followed by H1 breakup structure, followed by an order block, price reaching your order block. When it is reaching your order block, you are looking for 5 minutes break of structure. Okay, and you are marking 5 minutes order block, From there, you can look for a sell entry or buy entry, right? In this, along with this, you can add the imbalance concept. You can add the breaker block, mitigation block. That is it's up to you guys. That is, in my opinion, that is not at all required. The reason is, if you are strong enough in the breakup structures, okay, if you have the strong knowledge in the breakup structure, you don't need to worry about the breaker block, order block, volume block, mitigation block, or imbalances. That is not required. Okay, so everything is breakup structure, market structures only. All right, so you will be looking for like this. So let us see one more pair, then I'll conclude this video, because if the videos goes long, then again you will not see, and you will again blame me that I'm not giving you the value. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to I'm trying to make a video on short. Then again, you don't come to me and tell me that nothing is I'm not able to understand because you are given the very short video. Okay, because you need to understand one thing. I have, in an in-depth manner, I have explained everything in the 7 days, 7-day, 8-day videos. Some of you guys, I have taken 9 days also. Okay, 9 days also. So I'm not blaming everyone. Okay, I know that most of you guys are really performing well, and you guys are appreciating me. That is really overwhelming. I would like to thank all of you guys who got benefited from me, and some of you guys not able to do that. I do agree with that. It's because, it's not because of I have not given the summary video. It's not because of I have not given the I have not taken any more session. It's not because of I have not clarified your doubt. It's because of you only. Okay, you are not ready to work. You just want everything will be like someone has to uh, feed you, right? We should understand one thing. We have to put some effort also, right? Only the mentor will keep on say something. If you don't follow those things, then you will not get success. Most of the guys, how some people clear the funded platform challenge. Some of you guys are cleared the funding platform challenge. How you did? Okay, it's because you worked on that. You worked on that, and you trusted me also, trusted the strategy also. But some of you guys are not putting effort, and you are just simply blaming me. That is really hurting me. I'm once again telling you this because you have to understand the situation of the mentor also, right? We have more than 1,000 2,000 students are there, so managing everyone is really difficult. But still, I am connecting some of the peoples every single day. Every single day I'm connecting with one person. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows that I have connected with Mr. Vinod Sharma. I have connected with Mr. Dheeraj. I have spoken with Mr. Dheeraj. I have spoken with Mr. Kannan. I have spoken with some of the guys. Most of the time they will be coming, and I think Mr. Someone called I don't remember the name, because I don't have all of you guys' names also, because I cannot save everyone's name, right, in my mobile phone. So a lot of people I'm connecting, I'm clarifying. I'm not only clarifying the strategies, but also clarifying the some other ways to improve their psychologies also, right? So it's not only me. It's not only me responsible for your losses or your failures. It's you are first you have to put some effort. How many of you guys are regularly chatting with me? I know hardly uh 10-20 peoples. 10-20 peoples used to chat with me regularly. I have been responding them. Some of you guys I haven't responded. I'm allocating the weekend for responding everyone, right? So it's about you also. You have to work also, right? Some of you guys are sharing me the results. That is amazing. In the December batch, just we have completed a couple of days before. Okay, these guys already started to make money in the options. There are two persons shared me the screenshot. They have already made some money. How it is possible? Because they are putting efforts, and They are asking the doubts, they are clarifying, they are speaking with me, they are sending me the voice messages, everything. I'm responding them. Okay. But if you ask about indicators, if you ask about the small things like you have a lot of big issues to deal, but you are asking about small things, and you don't want to spend uh, your time uh, to watch the videos, recorded videos, right? The guy who made that video, right? He put his time and energy, but you don't want to watch that video, you want short videos, right? So there is no shortcut for this. There is no shortcut for making money. You have to put effort. Even though strategies are really good, you have to put some effort. Nothing will happen in a shortcuts. Okay, let me show you the other pairs. Let us take some different pair. We'll take gold. Take a gold. Let me explain. Let us see some entries in the gold. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame in the gold, because previous example we have seen a 4 hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Now you can see clearly there is a breakup structure in a 1 hour time frame, and you have an order block. Now you'll be having doubts. You have a manipulation candle here. Should I consider this, or should I consider this? Which manipulation candle I have to consider? Now, if you have this kind of doubts, what you can do is just mark the extreme or the big manipulation candle. Okay, and include the recent manipulation also. This is also recent manipulation. You can mark like this, or you can simply mark this one and wait for the price to come here. When it reacts, you can buy or sell, because sometimes price will go like this, right? Let me show you. So price will be like going up like this, it will touch, and it will react like this. If it is react like this, you can sell, right? If it is goes straight forward, because after the reaction only you'll be selling, then you'll be looking for buy. Okay, it's a breaker block concept, looking for the buy, right? So what you need to understand here is there is no order block is right, no order block is wrong. You marked this level because this is nearest to the price. Okay, when price reaches here, we will see. Are you getting the breakup structure or not? Based on that, we can see. Okay, right? Now this is the long waiting, right? So I have marked this Monday only. It will be happening. We don't know whether it will be Monday price will go up like this, or Monday price will go down like this. We don't know what will happen in Monday. So only when Monday market opens, only then we'll know that. So what we can do? We can first things first, whatever happens in the Monday, based on that we can either buy or sell. Suppose Monday price break this structure, okay, and clearly know there's a selling point here. From there only price will be selling. So you witnessed the breakup structure also. So you'll be having order block here, right? So you can look for buy entry from here and target at least this high or this high, this order block. You can do that Monday. Okay, in 15 minutes or 5 minutes breakup structure, you can see that. There is no compulsion that which time frame you need to see. You can see the lower time frame, 15 minutes breakup. Let's see that whether it's there or not. We have marked the 1 hour bias now. 1 hour market is bearish. We have marked the manipulation candle here, also manipulation candle, here also manipulation candle. But we took this one because it's a recent one, and we marked the breakup structure, and we have imbalances in between. Okay, now and you can see price is some sort of creating the bullish movement, and it is respecting the order blocks. Okay, we have one more. Depends upon Monday. If I got this break, we can mark this order block. From there, you can look for buy and target this or this. Right now, what we need to do? Where is my liquidity pool? Is there next liquidity pool? That is a question here, right? So we marked the manipulation 1, manipulation 2, order block, breakup structure. Where is my liquidity pool? Liquidity pool is now there above this high. and below this low. Okay, so that's why I told you guys, if it is broken, it can be a manipulation, or it can be a what do you call the order block and bullish movement. So most probably Monday, if market want to go bullish, what will happen is, first price will go bearish, take the money from the low, then it will go bullish. Okay, so technically we are expecting bullish market Monday. Why? Because market has to touch this level. If it want to touch this level, it has to travel. So this travel is bullish movement, right? So once this touch this level, it will be go bearish. Okay, so if it want to go bearish, first it has to go bullish, then only it can go bearish, right? So if it is want to go bullish, then it has to take the money from the low. It will take the money from the low and it will go bullish, touch here and go bearish. Okay, so manipulation will be happening in the, you can expect Monday manipulation will happening. Similarly, if you have opposite bias, you have to for example, Monday you are witnessing market is going up, it took the liquidity above and it is going like this. Now what you can do is, okay, market don't want to go here for now it want to go below. So maybe you can mark your order block like this. Okay, after reaching this level, from there maybe it can go up. So what I'm trying to say here is, you have to be flexible with your setups. Now the problem here is, most of the people, why you are not able to become flexible, because you are not understanding the breakout structure. That's why I'm told you guys, the day one itself, in the bootcamp itself, I told you guys many times that breakout structure is the key. If you able to find the breakout structure, you can able to properly trade the market. You can able to you can be flexible according to the market movement. So that is compulsorily required. You have to be flexible. Okay, so now this is the long-term bias, right? It's a 1 hour bias. 1 hour price has to reach here. From there you will be selling. Okay, now let's see this some smaller time frame bias. What we could have done here. Okay, let's go to the 5 minutes. So here in a 5 minutes, yep, 5 minutes market fell down, right? It stopped here. We don't know whether it stopped here or not. Until unless you see the breakup structure, you don't know that yet. Okay, so I want to see at least this breakup structure. So only then I'll be considering. You can say this breakup structure or maybe this breakup structure. This is fine. Why I'm marking this breakup structure? Because after this green candle, price fell down. There impulsive move is created. Okay, impulsive move is created. So there is a smart money involved over there. Impulsive move, smart money involved. So I want to see the smart money level to broken. Only then I can decide the market is bullish. Now you may ask, sir, here also there is an impulsive move. Can I choose this? Yes, of course you can choose this. You can choose this because this is also drop level, right? So there's a supply zone is broken here. So based on this breakup structure also, you can decide market is becoming the bullish. Okay, so here now I got a breakup structure here, right? Now just see where is my order block. So I'll have order block here, one, the middle order block, and I also have extreme order block. Okay, extreme order block and middle order block. Now can I consider, because here you have a breakup structure, so some push is happened from here only, right? So can I consider this level? Yes, of course you can consider. Even though it is not a good price action, you can consider. But if you consider like this, you should have some good price action here. Some some impulsive move like this, but we don't have that impulsive move. So I'm not going to consider this, even though it works in the future, but I'm not going to consider this. Okay, so let's delete this. So if you see here, it somewhat worked here, right? Somewhat worked here because it's just gone below. Okay, let's leave that. Now, what do you need to do? Just wait for one more breakout structure. Now we have one more breakout structure happened here, right? You have a rally, base rally. So this is absolutely your base zone, or you can say a demand zone, right? So when price reaches over there, you can buy, right? You can buy over there, and you can target some little bit profits. Depends upon the pair to pair you can choose. Okay, and further you have one more break. You cannot consider this as a breakout structure, but you can consider this as a breakout structure, right? There is a high is broken here. So obviously our extreme order block will be somewhere here. You can still consider this as an order block, but I don't consider this. The reason is you have a range market here. You have a range market. You can see this, a range market, and you got a manipulation here. Okay, and this red candle is a manipulation candle. So I'll be choosing this red candle. So maybe 50% of red candle. Okay, from there you can once again you can buy, and you got one more breakup structure here, and you have extreme order block here, right? Just a minute. Yeah. So it touched here, and it 50% touched here, slightly touched here, 50% touched here. So it given you some profit. All right. So you have to have that mentality of following the price. If something is not working, in for example here in between, it is touched here, it did not broken the structure, right? So this is you may think that this is a good swing point, this is a good order block, but it's not worked here because it did not broken the structure. All right. So look for the breakup structure and look for the buy entry from the 50% or from the 100% level. Okay. Now here, if you see here, this particular level, you cannot say that this is the this level is respected. So if you mark like this level, it is already respected here. So we will not take trade, and we will not take this one. Why? Because after this level, it did not broke any structure. It did not broke any structure. Okay, so this is not a level, but price is gone little bit below and gone above, right? So gold is gold, right? You need to understand that. That's why I mentioned people not to trade the gold. Then what happened further? There's a big movement. There's a breakout structure. There's an extreme order block, right? And now here you can see this is your extreme order block. This is green candle, right? The green candle is an extreme order block. Okay, so the green candle is tested somewhat here. Okay, so if you mark like this, you may not get this entry. The reason is there is a green candle. The green candle is tested, right? And also you have a manipulation candle here, right? Now, if you have confusion, which one I have to mark, this one or this one? If you have that confusion, just jump into the 15 minutes time frame. Next higher time frame. Just jump into the higher time frame, and you'll be seeing most of the times you'll be seeing both manipulation candle as a one candle. Okay, so you can do that also, right? So here it's somewhat tested and it given some up movement and market is closed. All right, now let's see some more example, then we can conclude this video. All right, so here you can see we have let's go to the different pair, maybe GBP JPY. Okay, then we can conclude, because as I told you guys, I don't want to extend the video timing, then he will again blame me for my efforts. He'll be blaming me, so that's the reason. So I'm really felt bad by seeing certain people's comments. Okay, especially the September batch. Okay, September batch students. All right. So let's see the GBP JPY. We are in a 4-hour time frame. Can we jump into the 1-hour time frame? Okay, this is, you may feel that some entries made here. It's just a demo entry which I have taken during the boot camp, so that's why the entry is showing. Okay, it's not a perfect what do you call it, perfect analysis. Okay, now GBP JPY, you have break of low, break of low, break of low, right? And all of a sudden now it started to break the high. It's not broken properly, but you can say that it took the liquidity above, right? Took the liquidity above, and it is ranging. And also, if you notice that there is a manipulation candle is tested, but it did not given any breakout structure. We don't have any bullish breakout structure. To be frank, we don't have any bullish breakout structure. So Monday, what you need to do? Wait, just patiently wait. Okay, you have recent high. Where is your recent high? So I can say that this is my recent high. Why? This is the longest week, and I have a recent low here. Just wait, patiently wait. Just avoid the Japanese session, okay? Asian session. Just open the market by 10 o'clock in the afternoon, in the morning. Then look for any break of structure. If you see the break of high, I'm sure you will not see that, because it's manipulated the high and it will be going down only. So my instinct says that the GBP JPY will be going down only. If you see this break, then I'm telling you guys, just mark this manipulation candle. Okay, this manipulation candle, let me mark that. You can mark entire candle, but I don't want to mark entire candle. At least mark 50% of this candle. So this would be like 50%, I guess. This is 100%, this is 50%, or at least mark the weak portion. Okay, if you see the breakdown, then I'm telling you this, Monday evening New York session, or maybe the next day London session, because sometimes market will be slow in Mondays, right? So you can look for selling from this level. All you need to see this small breakout structure, be having order block, sell. 5 minutes breakout structure. Why this is significant? Because if you see, there is a manipulation candle here. This candle is tested here, right? And before that, you had a manipulation candle here. This candle is tested here. So it has been touching the manipulation candle and it is going down for now. So we can expect that market will be going down. That's why I'm saying Monday, this market will be bearish and you will be selling over the from this level. All right. And yeah, I'm going to give you the glimpse. Okay. Please note down, everyone, please note down. If anybody don't understand this concept so far, please note down. Okay. First things first, higher time frame, manipulation. So I hope everyone know what is manipulation. If you don't know, please refer the bootcamp recordings, because that is, we are maintaining in the we are maintaining the data, right? So that is for only you guys only. So you have to see the video, right? Again and again you have to see. Only then you will be getting the idea, right? Higher time frame manipulation. Higher time frame can be 4 hour or 1 hour or anything. I'm just giving you 4 hour, 1 hour. So this is, you have to choose, right? Don't ask me which is best, which is not best. Both time frame is best. Both is good. It depends upon how comfortable with you are with particular time frame. Okay, higher time frame manipulation, then followed by higher time frame liquidity pools. This is not important, but if you mark like this, maybe you can have some idea, right? This will be, market will be going this distance, you can have that idea. Okay, or you can have it in mental picture also. That is also fine. Then you're marking order block, higher time frame OB, higher time frame OB. OB is nothing but your manipulation candle, right? Higher time frame OB, which is nothing but manipulation candle, or you can say supply and demand zone, or you can say support and resistance, whatever. See, this strategy is completely depends upon how you are improvising the things. Okay, and you've done this. Price will be approaching to the level, your higher time frame OB level. When it is reaches your level, all you need to see for the what? Just jump into the 5 minutes, look for the lower time frame, breakout structure, lower time frame order block, lower time frame entry. Okay, this is not a tedious thing. Okay, if you understand the breakout structure, this is not a tedious. This is very simple. Okay, very simpler than any strategy. But just little bit understanding is required. For that, you need to go through the videos, go through the charts, practice the charts. Chart practice is required. Everyone should practice, whether you are trading or not, at least practice. Okay, practice in a demo account. That is required. If you are not willing to do this chart practices, then even if I come to your place and sit beside just sit behind you or besides you, if I hold your hands and teach you, you will not get anything. Okay, so one thing you need to understand is you have to put some effort from your end also. Try to learn the market, try to read the market. At least you are not doing anything, just watch the market, just observe the market. I have told this several times that if you start staring the charts, charts will be speaking with you. Some of you guys knows that. Some of you guys already knows this, right? Charts are started to speak with you. That's why you are started to make money, right? Okay, so now what we need to do is wait for the price to reach your OB. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to look for the jump into. Then once price reached your higher time frame OB, and jump into lower time frame. This can be M15, M5, M3, but I suggest M5 or M15 you use. M3 don't use. Okay, I'm talking. I'm just telling this for the person, those who are not understanding the concept so far. Okay, so you can do this for what do you call? If you're already experienced, you can stick with 5 minutes or 3 minutes also. But if you're just starting out, maybe you can choose 15 minutes or M5. That is enough, and don't go beyond M3, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, that is not advisable for now. Okay, then mark your lower time frame breakout structure. That is important. Once it touched your higher time frame order block, then mark your lower time frame OB. Right? The OB can be a manipulation candle. Lower time frame also you can see a lot of manipulation candle, but I'm not gonna complicate those things. You just mark lower time frame OB, extreme OB, right? Extreme swing points that you are going to mark. Then take an entry from your LTF OB. If you can refine this further, but I don't suggest. The thing is, if your stop loss is really huge, M5 stop loss is really huge, then you can take a 50% from M5. That you can do it. Or if your stop loss is like 50 points, 60 points, 70 points, anything below the 100 points, then you can stick with the what do you call the stick with 100-point stop loss. If it is below, why I'm saying 100-point stop loss is enough, guys. Even whether you are getting the lower time frame, lowest stop loss or highest stop loss, just stick with the 100-point stop loss also. That is also works. But if you have 150 point, 300, 200-point stop loss, then mark 50%. or better avoid that setup, because highest stop loss means we don't want to trade that setup. Sometimes it works, it gives wonderful results, but we don't want to lose our screw up our capital. Okay, so this is how you have to trade. Okay, now I don't know whether I have missed certain things, because I uh, I had some commitments. I just saw your messages in the September group, so I felt really bad. So I started recording this video in a rush. Okay, I don't know whether I have properly explained this or not. So out of emotion, I made this video. So I hope you can, if you found any mistakes or if anything I missed, maybe let me know. Uh, Anyways, I'm going to upload this in the YouTube, my YouTube channel. So it has been dormant for the years. So I'm going to upload this video, and I'm going to watch how many of you guys are watching this or not. Okay, how many views are going on, because it's not because of the views I'm making this video, but I would like to know whether you guys are really utilizing the value which I'm giving, because I always have the doubt, because we have charged only 3,000 rupees. So I think some of you guys are feeling that it's nothing, it's zero value. That's why you are not watching the bootcamp videos. So likewise, you may feel like, if I didn't see views, I will delete this video from the YouTube, because I'm not here for making YouTube contents, and I'm not going to make I don't want money from the YouTube, so I already making money. Okay, and I would like to tell you something. The thing is, from next year onwards, I'm going to start the $25 challenge. So that is I was planning for some time, because some of the students are asked me personally that how to convert $25 into $200 or maybe $100. So that is the kind of video they have asked. So I'm going to make those videos. I'm going to upload that in the YouTube, because the thing is I don't want to give anything, any value free now from now onwards, because I started, I have given so many things for free, even with personal contact with certain students. So I don't want to do that, because those who are valuing me, I'm going to give them. Those who don't, uh, I mean, what I say is, if you are simply blaming me for your failures, then I'm not going to give you the values. So I decided that. But this is the thing. Some of the people genuinely asked me, sir, if you can share the recordings of your live trades. Okay, that will be really helpful. That they have asked. And also, if you can give me the how to start from the scratch. So for them dedicatedly, I'm going to do that. Okay, so from next year onwards, I'm going to be I'm going to restrict myself with certain things. So I don't want to give everything. Okay, so I have decided that, but I'm going to start this. This is, I hope this will be helpful for. And also, I'm planning to open the My Forex Fund challenge. Once I started this $25 challenge, once I convert the $25 into $100 or $200, then I will withdraw that money, and I'm going to put that money into the My Forex Fund challenge, and I'm going to record my journey, and I'm going to upload that in the YouTube. That is, I'm decided. So maybe, so because of these things, this will be, I hope this will be helpful for everyone, so that you can see my progress. By the way, you can also grow. Okay, that is the reason I'm going to do this. So at least after that, maybe you will not blame me for not giving you the value. Okay, abandoning you guys. Okay, so that kind of hard words you guys are used, right? All right, this will not have much information, this video, but if you have value, just give the your feedback in the comment section, because I want to see your comment section, right? And at some point of time, I'll make another good video. So when I have a peace of mind, then I'll make one good video and I'll share with you guys also, right? Okay, guys, thank you for appreciating me for in a lot of ways, and thank you for criticizing me also. That is also giving me some lessons, right? That is good. And I apologize if I hurt anyone. I apologize deeply, because I don't know how to express my emotions. That's why so many times in this video I have started to blame some of you guys. So I apologize, deeply apologize for that. And I thank you guys, those who are supporting me. Lot of times you have supported me today also, Mr. Aishwarya. I have connected with Mr. Aishwarya from the September batch, and we have discussed almost 2 to 3 hours, and he appreciated me like anything. So thank you for that. And thank you everyone, and we'll meet you in the next in another video. Thank you, bye. And and one more thing, this is not my way of making videos. I don't know how to make the videos, YouTube videos. So if you found any mistakes in this video, or maybe anything is not good, please let me know. Maybe I'll try to change that. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you, bye. We'll meet you guys in the next another time. Bye guys, bye.